we have completed chapter number 2, part 2, exercise 2.1. Today we are going to start with part 3, multiplication of fraction by whole number and exercise 2.2. So let's begin. So let us start with exercise 2.2. So students, open your maths NCERT book, page number 36. Question number 1, which of the drawings A to D show we have to match the following, these A to D parts with 1 to 4, which fractions are given. So let us do A part. So if you see the circle, how many total number of parts are there? 3. Out of 3, 2 parts are shaded. And we know that shaded part comes in the numerator and total comes in the denominator. So fraction is 2 upon 3. And 2 upon 3, how many drawings are there? 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3 into 2 upon 3. So write the correct answer. Third part correct answer is A. B part, if you see this drawing, one square is divided into 2 equal parts. One part is shaded, the fraction will be 1 upon 2. And 1 upon 2, 2 drawings are there total. Answer is 2 into 1 upon 2. So correct answer is B. Now C part, if you see here, one square, it has been divided into 4 equal parts. And one part is shaded. In all these 3 drawings, one part is shaded. Fraction is 1 upon 4. And total drawings are 3. 3 into 1 upon 4. So correct answer is 4. C part. Now D part, one circle is divided into 5 equal parts. And one part is shaded. Fraction is 1 upon 5. And total drawings are 2. So answer is 2 into 1 upon 5. So write here D part. So I hope students, question number 1 is clear. Question number 2, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show first part 3 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. If you see these pictures, C part, it has total 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, one part is shaded. Fraction is 1 upon 5. And how many drawings we have total? 3. So 3 into 1 upon 5, that is 3 upon 5. So first part answer is C part. Second part, 2 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. If you see here A part, total we have 2 drawings. One circle is divided into 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, one part is shaded. So the fraction is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2, that is 2 by 3. So here second part answer is A part. Now third part, 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. If you see here B part, triangle is drawn. A triangle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. So here we have fraction 3 by 4. And total 3 triangles are there. 3 into 3 by 4. Let us multiply 9 by 4. Convert this into mixed fraction. We have 2 whole 1 by 4. So third part answer is B. Question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fractions. Students, if you remember, I explained you how to convert improper fractions into mixed fraction. If you missed that part, you can click the I button. Now first part, 7 into 3 upon 5. If you see here, no number is written here. It means upon 1. You simply have to multiply the numerators. 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21 upon 5. So now this improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. And 21 upon 5 cannot be reduced into lowest term. So let us divide this. 21 upon 5. 5 4s are 20 and remainder is 1. So denominator remains same. Quotient will come in front and remainder will be numerator. 5 4s are 20 plus 1. Now second part, 4 into 1 upon 3. Multiply 4 into 1, 4 upon 3. Convert into mixed fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Now third part, 2 into 6 upon 7. So 2 6 are 12 upon 7. Let us divide 7 ones are 7 plus 5, that is 12. Students, now you can divide directly. As you know how to convert improper into mixed, we can write direct answer. So now fourth part, 5 into 2 upon 9. So 5 2s are 10. Denominator we have 9. Convert into mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10. Fifth part, 2 upon 3 into 4. So multiply numerator, 2 4s are 8 upon 3. Convert 3 2s are 6 plus 2, that is 8. 2 whole 2 upon 3. Next part, 5 upon 2 into 6. Students, here denominator you have 2 and numerator is 6. It can be reduced into lowest term. So let us reduce. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So now numerator we have 5 into 3 and denominator is 1. So do not write, just write numerator. So students, 7 to 10 parts will be a homework. You have to solve them in the same way. Question number 4, shade. In your books you can see this box ABC drawn. We have to shade them. First part, 1 upon 2 of the circles in box A. Students, just count how many circles are there. Total there are 12 circles. So now how we will find out? 1 upon 2 of means multiply 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So total 6 circles will shade in box A. Second part, 2 upon 3 of the triangles in box B. In box B, how many triangles are there total? 9. So 2 upon 3 into 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 2 threes are 6. So 6 triangles we will shade in box B. Third part, 3 upon 5 of the squares in box C. How many squares are there in box C total? 15. So let us find out. 3 upon 5 into 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Total is 9. So 9 squares will shade in box C. Question number 5, find A part 1 upon 2 of first part 24, second part 46. Students, as I explained you earlier, of means multiply. So we have to find out first part, 1 upon 2 of 24. So let us solve the first part. Right here, first part, 1 upon 2 of 24. So 1 upon 2 of means multiply 24. So numerator is 24, denominator is 2. 24 divided by 2, 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are. 1 into 12, answer is 12. Now second part, 1 upon 2 of 46. Let us solve here. Second part, 1 upon 2 of 46. So 1 upon 2 of means multiply 46. 46 is in numerator, 46 divided by 2. Let us divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 1 into 23, answer is 23. Now B part, 2 upon 3 of first part 18, second part 27. Let us solve in the same way. So right here, first part, 2 upon 3 of 18. Then 2 upon 3 of means multiply 18. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. Multiply numerator 2 into 6, that is 12. Now second part, 2 upon 3 of 27. So 2 upon 3 of means multiply 27. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. Multiply numerator, 2 nines are 18. So students, C and D part will be a homework. You have to solve them in the same way as I explained you. Question number 6, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. A part, 3 into 5 whole 1 upon 5. So students, first step is you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then we will multiply. So let us convert. 3 into 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 upon 5. Now next step is you have to check whether it can be reduced into lowest term or not. Check here, first numerator denominator, no. Then this numerator denominator, no. They cannot be cut into lowest term. Now we will multiply the numerators. So 6 3s are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 78 upon 5. Now convert this into mixed fraction. So let us divide 78 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 28. 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3. So write the answer. Denominator is 5. 15 5s are 75 plus 3, 78 upon 5. B bar 5 into 6 whole 3 upon 4. So convert this into improper fraction. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27 upon 4. It cannot be reduced. Multiply. 7 5s are 35. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. 135 upon 4. So now divide. Denominator is 4. 4 3s are 12. 15. 4 3s are 12. And remainder is 3. So the answer is 33 whole 3 by 4. Now C bar 7 into 2 whole 1 upon 4. So write here 7 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 9 upon 4. 7 9s are 63 upon 4. So divide. 4 1s are 4. Remainder is 2 and 3 23. 4 5s are 20 and 3. 15 4s are 60 plus 3 63. Now D bar 4 into 6 whole 1 upon 3. So 4 into 6 3s are 18 plus 1. 19 upon 3. 19 4s are 76 upon 3. Now divide. The denominator is 3. 3 2s are 6. Then 16. 3 5s are 15 and 1. Now E bar 3 whole 1 by 4 into 6. So convert. 4 3s are 12 plus 1. 13 upon 4 into 6. Now 4 and 6 can be reduced into lowest term. We will divide by 2. So here 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now multiply the numerators. 13 3s are 39 upon 2. Convert into mixed fraction. Denominator is 2. 2 1s are 2. Then 19. 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 1. 2 19s are 38 plus 1. 39 upon 2. Next part. 3 whole 2 upon 5 into 8. So multiply. 5 3s are 15 plus 2. 17 upon 5 into 18 8s are 136. So right here 136 upon 5. Now divide. Denominator is 5. 5 2s are 10. 36. 5 7s are 35 and 1. So answer is 27 whole 1 upon 5. Question number 7. Find A bar 1 upon 2 of first part 2 whole 3 upon 4. Second part 4 whole 2 upon 9. We have to do this question the same way as we have done question number 5. So let us solve first part. So right here first part 1 upon 2 of 2 whole 3 upon 4. So 1 upon 2 of means multiply. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. You have to check any number can be cut. No. So multiply the numerator, that is 11 upon 8. Now convert into mixed fraction. 8 is denominator. 8 ones are 8 plus 3. So answer is 1 whole 3 upon 8. Now second part 1 upon 2 of 4 whole 2 upon 9. So 1 upon 2 of means multiply. 9 4s are 36 plus 2. 38 upon 9. So students, if you notice here, numerator we have 38 and denominator is 2. So it can be reduced into lowest term. How you will do? By cross multiply. 2 ones are 2, 2 19s are. Now multiply the numerator. 19 upon 9. Convert into mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and plus 1. Answer is 2 whole 1 upon 9. So students, B part will be a homework. You have to solve that in the same way as I explained. Question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. How much water it contains? 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. First part, how much water did Vidya drink? We have to find out how much water did Vidya drink. So first statement will be Vidya consumed. How much water she consumed? 2 upon 5 of the water. 2 upon 5 of the water. And how many water was there? 5 liters of water. So it will be 2 upon 5 of 5. So here of means multiply. So 5 cancel. Answer is 2 liter. So Vidya consumed 2 liter of water. Now second part, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So let us find out. Pratap consumed. How much water did Pratap consume? See students, the question is Pratap consumed the remaining water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So total will be 1. So what we will do? We will subtract 1 by 2 upon 5. Why? Because 2 upon 5 of the water was consumed by Vidya. So 1 minus 2 upon 5. So just subtract, LCM is 5. So it will be 5 minus 2. That is 3 upon 5. Students, do not do any mistake in second part. आपको 5 लीटर में से 2 लीटर subtract नहीं करना. Why? Because here they are asking what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. They are asking fraction. That is why we are subtracting 1 minus 2 upon 5. Total is 1 and 2 upon 5 of the water was been consumed by Vidya. So answer is 3 upon 5 as they said for total fraction. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood Kulin ma'am's class. So chapter number 2, exercise 2.2 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now in next class we'll start with multiplication of fraction by a fraction and exercise 2.3. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.